The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla!
Rapture is the reaping.
No, but you said 9 o'clock you are going in the heart.
Rapture is raptus, which is rape, torture. That is what the rapture is. I come with salvation. I do not come to rape my people of their freedom, of their breath. You have to pay in this nation to walk your footprint, carbon footprints. If you march in this nation, you must pay. If you breathe in this nation, you must pay. Do you not understand that Pharaoh has built his great house and he is stepping on your necks? Pharaoh tried to bring me down, but I am that I am. All you people of the world, I came to you in this form. I am son of the soil, born in Glengoff, Victoria, the year of jubilee and victory. But what happened? Oh, hospital, mat. They made my life a mat. I suffered, I bled. Look at this night when I came to call all of my sheep, the stray sheep from the 12 tribes and nation. The thunder comes, the cloud comes, and the rain comes. But you did not believe my report. I am the fountain of life. I am the Catherine Peak. I come from St. Catherine. That's why you gave me water from where I come from. St. Catherine, Jamaica is where I was born. I have fulfilled all things. At the age of 9 years old, the angel of the Lord came and spoke to this body and asked me if I will give eternal yes. I have given eternal yes. I came as Jonah the Warner, but they mocked me and they scoffed me. They surrounded me and they looked at me and said, who is this man? Because man, God was tabernacled in man, seed of men. I carried the government.
My people, did you hear the things that he said in that video that I just presented to you? Do you hear the way how he said those things? Big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall skilla. I'm here again. Big up. Alright, my people, I just presented to you a video that shows a person who goes by the name of Kevin Smith. Kevin Smith had been taken into police custody within the country of Jamaica after a person died at a church that is located somewhere within the parish of St. James. That's within the country that is known as Jamaica. And he is in police custody for some time now. However, if you don't have a full understanding about that whole situation, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click that link will take you to a previous video that I posted about the incident where it is said that persons died at a church that is located somewhere within the parish of St. James, that's within the country of Jamaica, right? Yeah, and you can also let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. Now, I have another video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show a person who goes by the name of RT Boss on social media. Now, in the video, RT Boss talked about the person who goes by the name of Kevin Smith, and he also talked about other persons as well. Viewers and subscribers, I would like you to take a look at this video and listen to the things that RT Boss said in this video and tell me what you think about the things that he said. You can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that he said in this video, alright? Now, please bear in mind that some harsh language had been used in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
No, Prime Minister, a long time I tell you, you know. Say my people in Jamaica, you know, we love them food, you know, we love hustle. And I need you to know from a longer time, when I tell you, say, a long time this cult man, them, a pay man to take away picnic and take away people when you can't find them, dead or alive, them a pay the money, yeah, it's a black market game there. So when a little boy missing and a little girl missing or somebody missing, at the cult man, I use them. But because we already have it, we say the gunman, them a murder and the gunman a kill people, but we don't done under blood clot stand where I go on then. You need for the police, them need for talk the truth and say, look, most of the time we find the dead body them not have no lungs, no liver, no kidney, nothing in them. Because when them use the body as sacrificial orders, that the body they not go report. That the orders they are going dead, that the body they going use, the lungs, the liver, the kidney, all of them emblem they are going use in ritual. So nobody can found. That's a go a long time. No, I'm a spiritual man and I feel like this is something I should adjust and talk about. The only reason why Kevin Smith in this big bumbo clot here, some big man him violate so them get rid of him. So it's like, Mr. Kevin, your time up, I bust them, bust you. So is it like the Prime Minister and them man, they sign the orders to get rid of you? Because guess what no people, me and Kevin know say, them the police, they can't do nothing for hold him. Because the orders where my work is not no joke or no maybe, it's good, papa, rich science and evil. No joke na in a way, ma do. So it must be the green man who want to get rid of him. Based on the fact of the evil realms of film activity. Because film evil I get out of hand, you know. Film evil load up, you know. You them telling a church in front of people. So therefore no powers can touch him than the signature of the mighty man. The one that's in a Jamaica house. With the orders of the big police commissioner and police. So violate some others because they are the people who fly election gate. Let me come on, the blood clot on the blind. I said, they, them the type of blood clot others, they fly election gate. You blind, you know, see every bumbo clot time election come and them big man, they them same blood clot man, they them same ras one, they you see them enough up in it. On the Lord said, and them a bust big prayer, and I go on with them blood clot and no scandal come under them nasty ras. Hello, hey. Do one of them are the same blood clot? Never big friend. Friend fuck friend. Remember me and Spice? No Kevin and somebody else. You see? Me don't want to say certain things, you know, because I want to have things fucked up. And because when I have it fucked up already, me don't want to try to undo it. People like Kevin and the past and the title we have, you will always have man like Kevin and always have pastor do all of this. You know why all of them something here? You know someone say to themselves, say, but if them are people have man have God, and them are do them look something here, and them are using a God name, and them are get you with certain things, and then all of a sudden, then they get scared. Let me explain something to you. You know what for no problem? Who don't educate on yourself, who don't run and drown yourself in a confusion. Share that life and let me say something to you. I'm more to hear me. The reason why the pastor man them are going so and the pastor man I do that because they weren't ordained by God. I know you read the Bible now, and when you're reading the Bible, it tells you about evangelist, deacon, and all sorts of race, so you believe in it, so you run with. But you see, you must work with education, you must work with trueness, you must work with light. You can't run in on one thing, because little did you know that the Bible where you read and the order where you under right now, it's Pope Alexander and Constantine Bible verses. No, let me teach you now. That's why church people, pastor come to me, tell him, holy suck your mama. That is the new word now. Any church people come and follow up in my face. It's a holy suck your mama, full force. Yes. I mean, I regret telling them that kind of spirit now beat me and the Holy Ghost now lick me because the one of them is a set of blood clot lion is a order as controlling. Let me explain something to you. Why you know this time? Why you hear me? Constant time go Google. Uno bright. Pope Alexander the First, uno Google, uno know more than me. You have dunce people here, you have bright people here, you have illiterate race here, and you have people who are more sensible than me here, because me attract all sort of race over here. Good, bright dunce and the difference. So when me attack, people wanna listen and work with no Google. No, hear me. The reason why you see Kevin and Pastor and Bishop and all of them blood clot, them, I don't want to open no church and join the army there because there's a 7-way ticket to hell. I don't want to go on a 7-way ticket to hell. I rather buy the 1-way because I so me love hell to go on a 7-way ticket. No, can watch this now. Constantine and Alexander the First, go read up them name, the Pope Alexander the First and Constantine, the Dark Ages, 1462 or 1482. Them two blood clot man, the name they were called. Okay, Constantine was the man with like a politician. The Pope was like the Pope. Constantine was the man in blood clot charge. Him say, come here, Pope. Him say, Pope, I'm going to take up the Bible and fix it, blood clot, and rewrite it and do all sort of Ross. And the Pope say yes. I did, and me say so. Me I take tell it apart to a history so. So the Pope say what we are going to do first. Him say okay, we go and put it. I know me say so. You know the laws it out there. When him say okay, we have an ordained deacon, evangelist, missionary, all of them blood clot. Jesus never say so. You only hear about 12 disciples. And Jesus have 12 disciples, and whoever himself cast demon and cast that. You never see no pastor, this, no deacon, this, no evangelist, this, no reverend, this. But on the blood clot dons. Now, after Pope Alexander and Constantine take the Bible and burn all Old Testament in 1492, in whatever year it is, you know, go Google. Then there one next blood clot man out of nowhere comes, same name King James. So after Pope Alexander and Constantine do what him do, one that man run comes same name King James too. So when Constantine and Pope Alexander days done, King James have him a time too. King James say, alright, you want to know. Because remember now, you know, Constantine was a governor. He was government in charge. Remember now, King James was a king, him name speak for himself. So him decided to take the Bible and call it the King James Version. Christian people don't go tell them about the blood clot and educate the people. King James just come in and say, I want to call it the King James Version. And just what they had the Pope here, how you understand it. Just what they are, the Pope here. Remember me tell you about Alexander the First and also the blood clot. Just what they are, the Pope here in the Obama time. You remember what him do? Him said there was an error in the Bible. Him said God never said you must kill Batman and I must lesbian people. Him said there is an adjustment. God said I must love everybody. No kill Batman, no do them something there. So therefore I am going to adjust it to state that God said that therefore if not a problem with Batman and Saddam I know. In front of blood clot, yeah, the Pope changed it, you know. In front of the eye, the Pope accept it, you know, and who no blood clot no say nothing. Who and the Pope do it? You fucker, you. No Obama. Who and the Pope do it? You teach me, I teach you. No Obama. I want to see the crystal ball them. So why would you did say do it first when them do the adjustments in them the dark blood clot numbers there? I say Constantine and Pope Alexander the First, but hold on. So is the Pope and some big man and some president and some king? So who changed the Batman and rung it up in the Bible and say God said we deal with it? No the Pope and the president? Bumbo. Nah, born no out, you know. Me not born out on the Batman on the side of the history, you know, because I know enough of them. Me not born no out. I just teach me, I teach. Energy, right? No business to do nothing. I fool in life, but me I teach. Me just assure you.
My people, let me know what I think about the things that RT Boss said in that piece of video that I just presented to you. Let me know what I think overall about this video. You don't know me, only there to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on, alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Will not big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.